The NFL playoffs are better with FanDuel because right now new customers can bet $5 and get $200 in bonus bets, guaranteed. That's $200 in bonus bets, win or lose. FanDuel, an official sportsbook partner of the NFL. 21 plus and present in select states. First online real money wager only. $5 first deposit required. Bonus issued as non-withdrawable bonus bets which expire 7 days after receipt. Restrictions apply. See terms at sportsbook.fanduel.com. Gambling problem? Call 1-800-GAMBLER.
It's 8 a.m. Eastern, January 13th, and this is your daily crypto report. Bitcoin is down slightly at $90,567. ETH is down 1% at $3,036. XRP up 1.5% at $2.38.
Carla only has the best tech.
Can't connect to network.
But she didn't have the best internet. So she got Cox multi-gig speeds to power all her... Now, all her tech is...
connected.
Exactly. Step it up with multi-gig speeds. Available everywhere. Only from Cox. 2 gig download speeds. Individual speeds vary. See cox.com for details.
Well, the crypto market saw $328 million in liquidations over the past 24 hours, with $262 million from long positions. Bitcoin dominance rose to 55%, with Ethereum down to 11%, as investors showed a preference for Bitcoin amid market turbulence. Short-term Bitcoin holders are selling at a loss, but analysts see potential upside if long-term investors step in. Rising U.S. Treasury yields and a stronger dollar are adding pressure to risk assets, with the 10-year yield at 4.9% and the dollar index over 110. Upcoming inflation data could further impact sentiment as markets expect the Federal Reserve to hold rates steady with limited chances of cuts in 2025. Bitcoin's derivatives market remains relatively stable, with implied volatility modest and no extreme downside expected, but the macroeconomic environment continues to pose challenges for crypto. Well, MicroStrategy bought another 2,530 Bitcoin for $243 million at an average price of $95,972 per Bitcoin, bringing its total holdings to 450,000 BTC, worth over $40 billion. The company has now acquired $18 billion worth of Bitcoin in the past 10 weeks. Its Bitcoins were purchased at an average price of $62,691. Well, AI agent tokens have faced steep declines this week. The AI16Z token dropped 51%, reducing its market cap to $1 billion. Virtuals Protocols token fell 48% over the week, and Swarms token plunged 55%. AI agent tokens gained popularity by integrating large language models and interactive crypto wallets, pushing their market cap to $15 billion in January, but it has since fallen to $12 billion. The pullback highlights market volatility and skepticism about projects marketed as AI-driven but functioning more like chatbots tied to meme coins. While Anime Coin, backed by Arbitrum and Azuki, has unveiled its tokenomics for its anime token set to launch this month on Ethereum and Arbitrum. Out of 10 billion total tokens, 50% will go to the community, with 37% for the Azuki NFT community and 13% for community initiatives managed by Anime DAO. The Azuki company will receive 7% with a 3-year vesting period, while 15% will go to early contributors like employees and advisors under the same terms. The foundation will get 24% for ecosystem growth, and 2% is allocated to partners like Hyperliquid, Kaido AI, and Arbitrum. The initial circulating supply will be 7.5 billion tokens. And finally, Singapore has banned access to Polymarket as part of a broader crackdown on unlicensed online gambling, joining countries like the US, France, and Taiwan. Singapore's Gaming Regulatory Authority warns violators could face fines of $10,000, 6 months in prison, or both. The ban follows the shutdown of over 3,800 gambling sites and the blocking of $37 million in transactions by the end of 2024. Singapore allows online betting only through its state-owned platform, Singapore Pools. Polymarket has faced similar restrictions in other regions, including bans in Taiwan, France, and the US, with additional limitations in its terms of service for countries like Iran, Venezuela, and Bolivia. That's all for us today. Visit us at dailycryptoreport.io and listen to us everywhere else you podcast under Daily Crypto Report.
What role do books play in shaping who we are? Find out on The 5 Books, the brand new podcast hosted by me, Tali Rosenblatt-Cohen. Each week, I sit down with acclaimed Jewish authors to discuss the top 5 books that have shaped them. Hear from notable guests like Booker Prize finalist Yael van der Wouden and literary influencer Zibby Owens as we delve deep into what it means to live as a Jewish American today. Join me and listen to the 5 books wherever you get your podcasts.